Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the DURACELL M250 portable power station. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $200. All right, so let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my
calm down. Now let me say this. From me and my family, I'd like to wish you and your family a happy holidays. So that means Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, and of course, Happy Festivus for the rest of us. Now, if you're a tech lover like me, chances are you're going to get a new tech product as a gift. Maybe a new phone, a new tablet, a new laptop, some speakers, a camera. Whatever you get, one of the best things to have on deck is a portable power station, and the DURACELL series is one of my favorites. Now, if you watch my channel, I did a full review for the M150. I absolutely love this, and it stays on my desktop. And I like it for 3 reasons. Number 1, you can charge 5 devices at the same time. Number 2, it has that classic DURACELL battery look. And number 3, it comes with the wireless charging pad in the box. Well, now we got the M250, and this one is even bigger and even better. Let's take it over to the website and check out the specs. All right, check this out. Now, this is the DURACELL M250. Like I said, $200 on this one. This one has a tiltable lid. You got a charging dock, and you got built-in cord storage. Okay, now let's go through the power charging durations. You can charge your laptop 3 times, your phone 14 times, your tablet 8 times, your earbuds 100 times, your smartwatch 100 times, and your drone 9 times. Not to mention pretty much every other tech product that you got on your desk. Now here's the specs. This is 250 watts. That's 219 watt hours. And this has 60,000 milliamps battery. Now for wireless charging, you're going to get 15 watts. Now for the AC port, that's 100 watts. The 2 USB Type-C ports, 100 watts and 60 watts. And you got 2 USB-A ports, 18 watts apiece. Now this weighs 4.5 pounds. And if you want to charge it up using a wireless charging pad, it takes about 5 to 6 hours. And if you plug it directly in, it charges up in 3 hours. That's pretty much it. All right, so here's what you get in the box. Now this is going to be the DURACELL M250. And you get the wireless charging stand included in the box. Now, just for size comparison, here's the M250, here's the M150, and one of the things that I love about these is that classic retro tech design. It looks like an old school DURACELL battery. I love it. Okay, so let's look around. On the top, this is going to be your wireless charging pad. Let's see. Look at that. Wireless charge. Okay, MagSafe. You open this up, got a little storage slot right here for some cables. On the back, little carrying handle. Remember, this weighs 4.5 pounds. Check this out. This is your power button. Let's see, do we got any juice on this? Okay, there it is. You got your LEDs. That let you know your battery level indicator. You got a dimmable light. Okay, 4 different light levels. And the difference between the M150 and the M250, now you got an AC plug right here. Okay? Now you also got 2 USB Type-Cs and 2 USB-As. On the bottom, there's your wireless charge adapter right there. So when you want to plug this in, drop it on your desk just like that. Now if you want to fast charge it, you got USB out, USB Type-C out, plug it in, and like I said, 3 hours. Okay, I love the black and copper two-tone look. And again, simple and effective tech. Let's get and plug this in and try it out. All right, so first, let's check the wireless charging pad. Now, as you can see, it's completely off. I'm just going to put this on the pad. LEDs lit up, charging right up. Now, when you want to go portable, all you got to do is pick it up and keep it moving. When you get back to your desktop, drop it on just like that and charge it up. And look how cool this is going to look on your desktop setup. I love the design. All right, so now let's check out the light. Now I'm sitting down here in complete darkness. I'm going to hit the button. There's 1 level, 2nd level, 3rd level, and maximum brightness. Look at this. Now, this is a nice little touch right here. It's hard to see on camera, but I can have this as a nightlight. I can easily see everything around me. All right, so first, let's charge up a bunch of phones. So we're going to start with the MagSafe on the top. Okay, you heard the sound? Now, check this out. It's charging up. That privacy screen is diabolical. Okay, I love it. Okay, so that's charging up. Now, let's grab an ASUS. We got the AC plug right here. Let's do the ROG phone. Plug this in. Okay, that's charging up. Next, let's grab an Oppo. Okay, that's charging up. Matter of fact, I want y'all to see the animation. Okay, there it is. That's charging up. Next, let's grab another Oppo. Plug this one in. Okay, that's charging up. Let's grab another iPhone. That's charging up. And we'll do one more phone. How about a Galaxy? Galaxy charging up. So we're charging 6 devices at the same time. That is pretty sick. And look how cool this is going to look on your desktop. Let's try a few more products. All right, so let's try some other products. This time we'll do the Galaxy on the top. Okay, charging up, wireless, MagSafe. Next, let's do a Samsung laptop. So go ahead and plug this in. Now, if y'all can see right there, that's charging up. Next, let's do an iPad. Okay, iPad charging up. Let's do some headphones. Let me see. Grab a set of headphones. Plug these in. Look for the red light. Okay, headphones charging up. Let's do another phone. Grab an iPhone. Okay, that's charging up. And we'll do one more. Let's do a little speaker. Speaker right here. Plug that in. Red light charging up. Everything charging up. Right from the unit. All right, so let's do one last scenario. First, we'll do iPhone on the top. Okay, that's plugged in. See the green light. Next, let's try the Facebook glasses. Okay, there's the light. For AC, we'll do a big Bose speaker. Plug that in. There's your white light. Okay, Bose speaker. Next, let's do a little action camera. Plug that in. There's your green light. Next, let's do the DJI microphones. There's your lights. And last up, one of my favorite products, the Blend Jet. Plugged in. Check this out. We got 6 devices at the same time. And I love the little MagSafe on the top. Take the phone off, slap it right back on, and there it is. Let's get to wrap this video up. Now, if you want to keep your desktop set up nice and clean, once you finish charging everything, put the cables right in a little compartment, stash it just like that. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the DURACELL M250 portable power station a major go. This is the textbook definition of simple and effective tech. I love this. Now, if you got a dope desktop setup, look how clean this is going to look with that retro design. You could charge 6 devices at the same time with the MagSafe on the top. Not to mention, it's completely portable and it comes with the wireless charging pad in the box. This is epic. Now, one last side note, these sell out fast. Okay, I've been waiting for one of these for like 6 months. I'll leave the link in the description. It's probably sold out right now. Just keep on checking. They'll be back in stock soon. I recommend picking one of these up. Now, if you don't need the big boy, I definitely recommend the 150. This is just as good. This is the one that's on my desktop down here, but I'm going to set up the big boy upstairs and rock out. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise. Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.